People on social camera to follow me, Facebook, Twitter. This is what you call ratchet. When I am about to show you, it is now 8 o'clock in the morning. I have been up since 6:45. Do not ask me why. But this is how I get my day started with ridiculousness, and just watch this ratchet video, please. As you see the old lady, she looks like Sarah from the Bible. What are you doing here? That's just too much. Now you see this second young guy who just walks in there.
74 years old.
Oh, that's ratchet.